In the present day-to-day life, everything is challenging. It would be best if you put more effort to cross these challenges. Customer services are essential, for which you should have effective strategies to maintain its unique service. It would be best if you had a proper plan to approach unsatisfied customers. Reputation is all you have when you are selling online. If you don't provide a good service, customers give negative reviews, which will impact your sales, and brand reputation goes for a toss. Outstanding customer experience will help build trust and stimulate repeat purchases. But it is hard to decide what kind of strategy works the best for your company. Also, you are not sure where and when to begin to make it useful. Here are a few strategies that help e-commerce companies to provide a unique customer service to its clientele. Be organized. It is essential to get organized for a successful customer service. Without a proper organization, things fall apart. Keep track of your customer conversations and make your team aware to help them work jointly and keep everyone together so that nothing goes wrong. Utilizing saved replies, shared inbox for frequently asked questions, and collision detection will help your customer service team answer customer requests in an organized manner. Multi-channel strategy. Make efficient use of technology to develop customer service. Using different technology methods will help you to interact with customers. Technology includes phone, chat, call, email, and social media. Choose the right mode of communication tool to interact with your customers. Enable self-service. Most people prefer to solve problems on their own, instead of taking support. So you need to provide customers with self-service options. Add FAQ pages that cover detailed information on payments, billing, shipping, delivery, price, return, refund policy. Also mention terms and conditions to understand easily. Reply on customers' feedback. Customers' feedback is one of the essential elements for business growth. Feedback always helps you to improve more in business. It makes better customer satisfaction, enhances products and services, and gives you good customer experience, and increases customer communication and understanding. Offer 24/7 support. Provide 24/7 online services like live answering and live chat when you are not online. It would be helpful for customers to share their concerns with you quickly. Digital business. Operating an online business will expand your market and help you to reach more customers. Digital company has its planning, challenges and resourcing needs. You need to manage carefully by providing 24/7 customer service. Order fulfillment. It is essential to fulfill customers' requirements to keep them happy. When customers order products online, they expect fast delivery. Providing fast services make customers happy. Also, provide updates and tracking information of the customer's products, status of the order and so on. Customer service software. Good customer service software will help you to solve the problems quickly. Using CRM, customer service management, software will help you through automation, and it is helpful for you by making informed decisions to increase your return on investment, ROI. CRM is a master plan for managing your company's interactions with customers and potential customers and company's relationships. It will help you to stay connected to them and improves your financial gains. Conclusion. It is essential to develop some strategies for customer support. Brand reputation is mostly dependent on the customers and their satisfaction. Only they can switch your company to a good position. It is essential to keep your customers satisfied to increase the sales of your products. Building unique customer services will lead your company to the right place. A bill must production.